Myself, Patel, I am representing my team HydraShield in Smart India Hackathon 2020 round 2 video submission. My problem code is MK94 and my problem statement is remote monitoring of the quality and portability of drinking water sources. This problem statement is given by the government of Uttrakhand. Uttrakhand state is blessed with major water resources including the large river system with its tributaries. In spite of this, there are many problems faced by the state government related to water, like continuous monitoring of water resources before its consumption for human as well as agriculture uses. We have designed a hardware to measure the water quality and the potability of water. The parameters we are measuring is the pH, turbidity with ambient humidity and temperature, TDS, total dissolved salt, ORP, the oxidation reduction potential or the redox potential of the water. So we are measuring through it, the sensors. The sensor data goes to microcontroller, and we have created a network to transmit that sensor data, that collected sensor data to the cloud or to the main base station. So here we are using the LoRa technology, which is long range communication technology based on radios. It consumes very low power, so we can run the sensor on a long time on a single battery, or we can make it rechargeable via solar panel. So we have designed our hardware as a node. So here we have example of our node. So what is this node? The node consists of the one LoRa radios to communicate to other LoRa radios or to the main base station. Microcontroller to collect the reading of sensors, a battery and the charge protection and management circuit to provide the RAM to the microcontroller and to the LoRa module. So the microcontroller collects the reading from water around every half hour. Microcontroller collects the reading of waters, pH, like I said, the parameters, and transmit it through radio network to the base station. So here the base station have a LoRa connection as well as Wi-Fi connection. So the data transmitted through the LoRa gets to the main station, which have Wi-Fi connection. So we don't need a Wi-Fi in the field. So we can communicate in the around area of 12 km without Wi-Fi. Our sensor data is transmitted through the radio to the Wi-Fi and to the cloud. Each node can handle 8 analog sensors, like all water measurement unit sensors have an analog output, and up to 5 digital sensors like temperature sensors and humidity sensor. So currently in the prototyping form, I have made a total 3 prototypes from starting to revision 1, revision 2 and revision 3. Made a node. What is a node? Node is a collection of sensor and a microcontroller and the LoRa module. This is my first revision, this two, and this is my second revision, more compact and reliable. We can install in the PVC pipe, and we can install like PVC pipe like this in the river. So what is a node? The node consists of a microcontroller that measures the sensor data and transmit to through the radio networks without any internet connection through the radio networks to this main base station. So main base station consists of a radio network and plus a Wi-Fi network. So it transfers the data of radio through the Wi-Fi and through our cloud. So this is my third and the last prototype I made. This is the 3 nodes. These are all identical nodes. There is a LoRa network, an upgraded microcontroller, upgraded battery management system, a relay to control like pump or something, and this is a base station. This base station has an extra connection of GPRS, so it can communicate through Wi-Fi, LoRa and GPRS cell networks. So and this node we can add the sensors. We have not added the sensor due to the lack of availability of sensor due to the COVID-19 situation. So these 2 are nodes, and this is our master node. This is a waterproof node. So it's a weatherproof solution, and we can add the sensor from here. Like I have made a hole, we can add the sensors. Thank you.